Hi, I would like to introduce you to the CCPS Process Equipment Reliability Database, known as PERD. So a little bit about PERD. As an organization, it is a project of the Center for Chemical Process Safety and a directorate of the American Institute of Chemical Engineers. Its mission, operation of an equipment reliability database, making available high-quality, valid, and useful data to the HPI and CPI, enabling analyses to support availability, reliability, and equipment design improvements, maintenance strategies, and life cycle cost determination. The PERD ERP Subcommittee is a new initiative with a focus on greatly improving the PERD Central Repository. We have a new repository, an SAP database, and we have established minimum requirements for high-quality, trusted data. In other words, the data submitted from our participants. So we help companies achieve these minimum requirements with new tools and standard methods to improve their equipment reliability data collection processes, including guidance on data collection, standard content and methods, and failure data quality management. PERD ERP has a bottom-line driven approach for optimizing equipment reliability, for maximizing production throughput, and for minimizing health, safety, and environmental hazards. PERD ERP enables data-driven decision-making with high-quality equipment reliability data and helps companies identify where to focus equipment reliability efforts. The PERD ERP bottom-line approach is to identify, analyze, and resolve. We identify equipment failure events with the greatest consequences and equipment causing those events, or bad actor equipment. We analyze the high consequence failure events to determine failure patterns of bad actor equipment causing them and to obtain details necessary to take corrective action. And then we resolve the issues by implementing and prioritizing corrective measures. With PERD ERP, we can quickly identify high consequence failure events. In other words, your bottom line. We can run a plot of consequences of failure across your entire enterprise and quickly zero in on the highest consequence categories. Once we have identified a set of high consequence failure events, we can dissect those events and analyze specific information on the equipment that have failed, such as K102 compressor. We can look at its failure modes. We can compare its performance with other compressors. We can look at failure effect on the equipment unit. We can look at how the problems were found, what were the detection methods. We can then drill further down and look at component level analyses for K102 compressor. We can look at the primary failure components and their failure mechanisms, and we can compare with all other compression units. Likewise, we can analyze root cause and corrective activities. We can then resolve bad actor equipment issues by implementing corrective measures such as preventive maintenance, inspections, procedures, and facilities changes, and we can prioritize corrective measures based on actual consequences and future consequence potential. PERD ERP is an application that you install in your enterprise software. The architecture is native to enterprise software. It is built into work management processes, and it is an SAP certified solution. The main components of PERD ERP are technical hierarchy, malfunction reporting, consequence accounting, PM condition reporting, data aggregation, and data quality management. Our mantra is, if you can't analyze 1,000 things at once, you're not doing it right. PERD ERP design principles are to simplify, standardize, and automate. We simplify by integrating equipment reliability and work execution processes, by instilling data quality at inception, and by structuring data for optimal accessibility. We standardize by using methods consistent with industry and international standard processes, by representing facilities in a logical and standard manner, with one system of record for all technical tags, and one unique ID for each equipment object throughout all systems and records and in the field. And we use standard failure data collection, merging, and assessment processes that give users the same look and feel for all malfunction reporting. And finally, with automation, we use system-driven quality assurance processes. Thank you. Please feel free to contact us for any questions.